The Bhagavad Gita, one of the most revered scriptures in Indian philosophy, begins with a scene that is both intense and thought provoking. Set on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, it is not just the story of a war but a profound exploration of human dilemmas, ethics, and the eternal quest for purpose. The first shloka opens with King Dhritarashtra, blind both physically and metaphorically, seeking answers about the unfolding events from his trusted advisor Sanjaya. This moment sets a tone for the timeless wisdom that the Gita offers. Dhritarashtra uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samvetayujutsavaha mamakah pandavaschaiva kim kurvata Sanjaya. King Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, gathered at Kurukshetra, the land of Dharma, with a desire for battle, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? This moment marks the opening of the Bhagavad Gita. It's a question that conveys much more than curiosity. Dhritarashtra, the blind king, sits in his palace far away from the battlefield, yet he is emotionally tied to it. Kurukshetra is not just a physical place but a dharmakshetra, the land of righteousness. Dhritarashtra refers to his sons as Mamaka and the sons of Pandu separately, highlighting his bias and emotional attachment. His question reflects his fear, his desire to control, and his uncertainty about the outcome of a confrontation between his ambitions and the path of righteousness. Now, let's bring this into today's world. Think of Kurukshetra as a stage of life, whether it's a corporate world, personal relationships, or any place where decisions shape the course of events. Dhritarashtra's question could easily be words of a modern day leader or parent asking, what are they doing? With a tone that mixes concern, bias, and helplessness. In workplaces, for instance, leaders often witness tensions between their team and competitors. In families, parents observe disagreements among siblings. The essence of the situation remains the same, a conflict of values, decisions, and outcomes. Kurukshetra, being called the land of Dharma, reminds us that life's challenges, no matter how competitive or chaotic, demand ethical decisions. Today, this could be seen in boardrooms where leaders face moral dilemmas about profits versus ethics, or in personal situations where individuals must choose between what is easy and what is right. The battlefield of Kurukshetra teaches us that while the external battle may be unavoidable, the real battle is within, between our desires and our values. Dhritarashtra's division of my sons and the sons of Pandu is a stark reminder of how often we create artificial divisions in modern life. Whether in workplaces, politics, or communities, we often categorize people as ours versus theirs, fostering bias and conflict. His unwillingness to acknowledge the unity of his family reflects a tendency in human nature that persists today, where emotional attachments cloud judgment. This shloka also highlights the role of Sanjaya, who represents clarity and insight. In modern times, this could be the tools, mentors, or inner wisdom that help us see the truth of a situation even when we are far from it. Just as Sanjaya, through divine vision, narrates the events of the battlefield, today's technology or advisors provide real-time insights guiding us through complex decisions. Dhritarashtra questions, though rooted in an ancient epic, is timeless. It reflects the universal human condition, our fears, attachments, and the conflicts that arise when we face life's inevitable challenges. The lesson for modern life is clear. While we may not control the outcome of events, we must approach every battlefield with clarity, fairness, and an unwavering commitment to what is right. Only then can we truly understand the purpose behind the conflicts we face. The opening shloka of the Bhagavad Gita is not just a historical narrative, it's a mirror reflecting the eternal struggles of the human mind. Dhritarashtra's question reminds us that life is full of conflicts, both external and internal, and the choices we make determine the path we walk. In today's world, Kurukshetra is everywhere, in our workplaces, homes, and society. It is the arena where our values and ambition clash, where we are tested on our ability to rise above biases, attachments, and fears. The Gita teaches us that while battles are inevitable, what truly matters is the mindset we bring to them. The call to dharma, righteousness, is not confined to ancient times. It is a universal and timeless principle that guides us in every decision we make today. Whether as leaders, parents, or individuals, we must strive to approach life's challenges with clarity, fairness, and an unwavering commitment to what is just and true. So, as we reflect on this profound opening of the Gita, let us remember that the real Kurukshetra lies within us. The choice between right and wrong, between bias and truth, is ours to make. And when we choose wisely, guided by the principles of dharma, we align ourselves with the timeless wisdom that has the power to transform not just our lives, but the world around us.